Can you believe that this cleaning cloth can be washed clean with just water? Let's take a look. Wow, it's really clean. It's this bamboo fiber cleaning cloth. It absorbs oil but doesn't stick to it. It has a double layer structure, making it more sturdy and durable. Bamboo fiber cleaning cloths can clean various stains, including oil stains on the stove and food residues on dishes. It is very easy to clean, does not breed bacteria easily, and keeps itself clean. And Enda Cleaning Products Manufacturing Factory can customize and wholesale bamboo fiber cleaning cloths. Customized colors, logos, and packaging, etc. are available. Welcome to place your order.